just like to get ahead of it instead of being behind it.
I know.
Ooh, I think we got a little rope back here.
Is that what they're looking at? Is that why they turn that way?
Yeah.
Should I turn that way?
No, it's going to be right on top of us here. It's going over us right now.
Yeah, I can tell. We got damage right there.
Look at that, they lost something going across. It's going to cross the road here in a second.
Oh, there goes something.
Oh, there goes something across the road. He's like, there's guys like,
oh yeah.
Fuck this, look at him turning around.
Yeah.
You're like,
Foot on the brake, foot on the brake. Yeah, look at that. The trees there.
Oh, what is that? Oh, it's cow, buffalo.
Cow!
It's buffalo.
Storm chaser.
I don't know, man. Oh, look at that tree!
Oh, shit! Oh, do you think we're hitting some freaking...
What is that? It's a slide.
Is my kid... Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah, that got that. Wow, that's awesome. You see that?
I'm gonna go live for a second.
These guys are like, fuck this, I'm out of here. Oh, look at that Ben go.
Oh yeah, so there goes the storm chaser.
That's a legit vehicle, dude.
I know, right? That tree just... Oh shit, I got...
I think it might be on the ground over there. You see it?
I'm trying to go live, but I don't think I have any.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for East Central.
Look at that tree. Oh. All right, we're out of it.
35 p.m.
But where do we go?
Let's sit still. That's so crazy. Man, I wonder how close that car was to taking that tree right to the freaking...
I wonder if I can zoom in, yeah. That tree just got blown over.
You don't think that car took some... He's kind of stalled, I don't know. Look at that. Look at that Ben go across the...
Where?
Right over there. Over there.
Oh, there it is. And it's blowing that yellow thing too. Well, that was a close one. I'll have this live while we're going.
Oh, wait a minute. Strong rotation just to the northeast.
Just to the northeast of here?
Yeah.
Is that why people are pulling over?
It might be. Or he's getting pictures.
Yeah, he's doing something.
We need to go east. Because it's right there.
All right.
I don't know what the... Oh, watch these people.
You good? All right, I see him.
Oh, we need to get east. What are these people doing? He's getting the damage. That's a tree.
Well, yeah, but he gets money for it.
That's true.
But when I went by there was
Go ahead.
sparks coming out of there.
Concordia and
If you just want